Awesome. So you have a pretty good brow shape, so I'm not gonna try and change it up too much, but definitely clean it up.
Yeah, I like them a certain way, but I can't do that because I don't know if you noticed, but the ends are like not there. So
they're there enough.
Yeah.
The good thing about the way I wax, before I wax, I actually put on the brow kit, and so it gives me like the outline to play with to see like how you normally do your brows.
Yeah.
And so that gives it a little bit more leeway as opposed to just kind of freehanding it.
Right.
Which, you know, freehanding, it's okay, but I don't like guesswork, and with eyebrows, you know.
Yeah, it's very particular for each person.
So I won't take off the end points, but I'll wax around it. So it's actually going to make those ends look a little bit thicker than they are.
Okay, that's good.
And then when we fill it in, we'll fill in the ends.
Okay, that sounds good.
Now,
how long does it typically take you when you do these?
10, 15 minutes. Yeah, brows are fast.
It takes me so long just to sit there and do something.
Are you normally tweezing?
I know. I use I don't remember what that's called. It's some kind of
like a razor?
Yeah, on a stick. But they said that those weren't all extra great, so I've got to get some new ones that are better.
Yeah, the thing I don't like about razoring is that it cuts the hair off, and then that hair is gonna grow right back.
Yeah.
So waxing can, you know, it could be harsh on the skin.
Yeah.
But that's why we use like a lighter wax, and then afterwards we put aloe vera on there. And so that aloe vera helps to calm down the skin.
Yes, I went to a lady who said she did eyebrows and she waxed mine, and it was not a good experience.
Oh no!
It took so long, and then when she got to the waxing, it hurt really bad. I mean, it didn't hurt when she was pulling it off and everything, but the aftermath just...
Oh, your skin is ripped.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely a risk with wax. But the way that we do it to avoid that, of course it can happen with every once in a while, but most of the time if we have that, it's somebody who's like on Retin-A.
Yeah.
Or blood thinners. Oh yeah, no, you're good. Because waxing should just remove the hair. It's gonna remove like that top layer of skin, but the top layer of skin is all dead skin cells. Whenever it hurts afterwards, that means they move down to the second layer of skin.
Yeah, they I think it might have been also because she was doing a lot of threading as well. And the little stencil she was using to do the little lines to trace it and everything, it was just a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, threading is good when it's done correctly, but done incorrectly, it can have a lot of breakage.
Yeah.
And so that can lead to like those ingrown hairs on your brows, the irritation.
I got the purse.
Oh yes! Look at her! Oh, she got the whole outfit.
I love that.
Oh,
you
might
have to send me
$20 on Cash App again.
What happened?
I had to use my 20.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Because she doesn't do Apple Pay, but she said this is what I'll be modeling in the show.
So, when is it again? I forgot. Do you take Apple Pay?
Yeah.
Okay. Just make sure.
We take everything.
I know some people don't.
Does this look weird with it rolled like this?
I think it looks good either way.
Because I got a little tiny waist.
Yes, we see. Lucky girl. You got what the rest of us are trying not to eat to get. and won't get. Because my waist ain't never going to be that small. I cannot eat for the rest of my life and it's still ain't going to be that small.
I always wanted a big waist.
No. Because you're like, what, 18, 19?
I'm 15.
15, girl. Girl, all I got to say is have some babies. Not anytime soon.
Yeah. Right.
But one day.
She said I'm not promoting it right now.
But that's when you have them babies, you going to thick out. And then also just like getting 20, 21, getting into, I hate to say it, drinking.
I wish I could get my eyebrows waxed. I think they're
eyebrows are really pretty.
I have no eyebrows,
so
so
like well structured and stuff. Well, she doesn't have any right now. I
Yeah.
forgot.
These are fake.
Okay.
I drew them on.
I see.
Really good at eyebrows.
Yeah.
I love when she does my eyebrows.
Yeah, I just decided to shave off my eyebrows and then I just started drawing them on.
Mm-hmm.
That is definitely something we used to do in the 90s. I'm going to warn you what we all went through. The more and more you shave them off, they stop growing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is my first time, so
Yeah.
they're already growing back. So
I always say I don't recommend doing that.
Yes.
Just because we those of us who lived through the 80s and the 90s, were crying about our eyebrows because they stopped growing.
When y'all did it the thin and it would grow like a certain way on the bottom.
We call that a sperm eyebrow. You know, and woo, I'm happy I made it through that time.
Yeah. I cut the ends of my eyebrows and they just won't come back the same.
You remind me of my sister, my older one.
Okay, that's good. I hope she brings you joy.
Yes.
How many girls are there?
There's a lot. It's a very extended.
There's like 4 girls. Well, I'm the 5th girl. And then there's 3 boys.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
My dad is definitely a girl dad.
Okay.
They have different dads than I do, so we all have the same mom though.
Okay. That's what matters the most. Because if it's the same mom, that means y'all raised in the same household.
Absolutely. We done had our times.
I'm just glad I'm not her. She had like 15 siblings.
Oh, wow.
Man,
I haven't met any of them. I have a cousin who looks just like me.
yeah.
Oh.
I didn't even know that. My dad texted me and said, "Hey, you have a twin cousin." And I'm like, "Huh?" And she sends me the pictures. We look the same. We look like the same person. I've never met her in my life.
I love it. That's how you know the DNA is true.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I mean, I was supposed to meet my
Is this
sister,
all
but
your
never
stuff?
got the
Did you
chance.
make it?
I don't personally make it. I manage it. Kim Roxy, she's our founder. She's locally in here in Tulsa. We make all of our products. So we do make all of the products, and we make them in Houston, Texas.
Mm-hmm.
And then they ship to me, and then I ship out to all of our places.
Mm-hmm.
And we do like sales, and
That's nice.
so we're always active in the community, doing different things.
Where is she located?
Oh, she's here in Tulsa. So we're both, our products are made in Houston, so we're a Houston-based company. But we have now transitioned out here. And so we do all of our shipping and distribution out of here.
Mm-hmm.
And, but still utilize our Houston lab.
That's a good idea.
When we go skating, I'm very much giving 90s.
Yes, you are, and I love it.
I do. I love dressing that way. She loves my style.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I could very well see that being something me and my friends would wear, like back in the coolest era, and we were trying to look like, what was that girl name?
Janet Jackson.
Janet Jackson too.
Tiana Taylor, because she, back in the 90s, Tiana went crazy.
Back in Tiana Taylor, I don't think she was quite the 90s. She early 2000s.
Yeah.
Because we learned about her in Sweet 16.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Her Sweet 16 was crazy.
Yes. Because she's actually a little younger than me, I think.
Really?
And in the 90s, we were.
28?
Oh, girl, no, I'm 38.
Oh. Well, oops.
But thank you. But in the 90s, we were still in elementary school.
Mm-hmm. I know I see a lot of, I don't know if they're influencers or actors or whatever, but a lot of people dress like her. I really like it. I don't know, it gives like streetwear.
Mm-hmm.
It's very nice.
Oh, no. And it's I feel like an outfit like that, you can wear that anywhere.
Absolutely.
You can show up to church in it, you can show up to an event in it, and it makes a statement.
Brunch.
I know,
That'd
like,
be great.
I'm very happy with this outfit.
No, in the 90s and early 2000s, it was all about the fit, not like, leggings and all that. There's nothing wrong with it. But I feel like we've kind of lost that a little bit as a community, that getting dressed up to go to events.
Yeah.
And so I'm happy to see that you're 15 and you're getting back into that, because that's one of the best things about Black excellence is like showing up somewhere and like, I am the event, I am the culture.
They always get on to me for cutting my hair because they have to get it fixed, but because I cut it uneven sometimes, they have to keep getting it fixed every time I decide to cut it.
So what I'm hearing is you might have a beauty in your future.
I did her hair.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
It's my first time braiding to the twisting to the scalp.
It looked
rubber
good.
bands came out, but it still looks good.
Yeah, well that's the good thing about curly hair. You don't need rubber bands.
Mm-hmm.
And then I did the finger curls
Okay, yes.
through her whole head.
I
did my hair too. I cut it and I colored it.
I love the color.
Thank you. It's box style.
You're doing good. Yeah, I'll see you in 5 years when you go to beauty school.
I was believe it or not, I'm actually going to be a chef.
Okay. Okay. Ain't nothing wrong with making some good food.
You were just talking to her about you were wanting to get on a truck and go around the room.
Yeah, that's my first idea, is to get a food truck and travel to all 50 states of America and decide where I want to land my restaurant and call it home.
Oh, I love that. Well, you'll definitely have to make a stop in Austin. Austin loves food trucks.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I like that you got plans.
Everybody said I've changed them so much.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Cause I always want to do construction,
Okay.
but it's very hot, and I'm
Yeah.
not a hot type of girly. Like I can't stand the heat, but I love to build. That was like one of the things for me. I wanted to build my own restaurant in my own house.
So it sounds like you might be more of a designer, like a home designer. So because you only have to go out there to just double check that they're doing the work that you want done.
Yeah.
But you don't have to be outside all day.
I'm just always been in the designing field, from face to hair to clothes to houses.
That's amazing. And then you're young. You can really try out everything.
And most of the stuff I've been doing since I was 10.
Oh wow.
And this is my test subject right there.
Mm-hmm. She'll do all kinds of stuff on me.
Well, honestly, that's one of the even now today I'm constantly looking for people. Like, will you be my model? You know, I got something I want to try out.
I love like being people's models and stuff.
If
like
you
that.
need me to, I've already got modeling stuff going on there too. I'll come help you out with your makeup. I love getting my makeup done and trying crazy looks.
Man, you got the face for it. Both of y'all do.
Yeah, she's so pretty.
Well, y'all look alike, so you pretty too.
Her
Listen, y'all look like your mama.
They say that.
They say I look like my dad.
Okay. I guess it's one of those whoever you're standing next to for that day.
Right.
I think a lot of people around here know him, but I don't by his face, not his name.
No, we just went home for my family and everybody. I don't look like my mom's side of the family. My brother does. Everywhere we went, they're like, "Oh, you're Marilyn's son. You're Marilyn's son." And I was just like, I guess I'm just the secondhand stepchild.
That's what they say. It's a lot of people who do the same thing with them. We walk around. They know. There are some people who know it just
in the
from
bags.
their dad. Huh?
What comes in the bags?
Oh, it's just a bag.
Oh.
I thought they made like little baggy sets.
It's just what we use, like when they get the product to take it home, and you want to feel like you got something when you got it when you pay money for it.
Yeah, it's like fucking out.
The
with
lady that
bags.
makes the outfit, she also selling some body cream.
Okay.
She making body cream.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Especially if you go have your legs out, you gotta be moisturized.
Absolutely. Does it smell good?
To me, yes, but it's not everybody's cup of tea. That's what I would say.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like
Oh yeah, that smells good. It's not overly fragrant.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like you could smell the naturalness in it, and that's not everybody's cup of tea.
Well, that's definitely my cup of tea.
Yeah, mine too.
Because I hate it when it's the other way, when I can smell the falseness in it.
Yeah.
Only one I like is my EOS lotion.
Oh no, EOS, they do good.
Yeah, have you tried their vanilla cashmere? It's so good. A lot of people say it smells like yogurt,
Ooh.
but if you want the perfect vanilla smell, that's it.
No, I like vanillas. I like citruses.
I have this perfume I got from California, and I can't find it anywhere.
Oh.
It's an orange cream.
Oh.
I don't know if you ever had them drinks before, but they're in Compton and they're orange sickles or something.
Yeah, I love an orange sickle.
That it smells like that, but in perfume.
Oh, I'd like that scent.
Yeah, exactly like it, and I can't find it nowhere else.
You could probably make it by mixing like the orange essential oil and the vanilla essential oil.
Probably. Yeah. I think it smells really good. A lot of the things that she, or what did I say? A lot of the things that she picks out is always really good, whether that be food wise, smell wise, perfume.
Okay, so she's in touch with the smells.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Even if it's online, and I don't smell it.
Well, that means you can look at the notes and kind of see what would go together good. So that's actually a very important thing for baking and being a chef.
Yeah.
Especially if you're trying to make unique stuff.
She'll tell you what time I'll be making random stuff.
Okay. So she be cooking for you.
Oh yeah.